Hey there, my name is Kale. I'm the co-founder of Encharge and I'm really excited to have you on board. Encharge is a marketing automation tool that will help you convert more leads, increase your revenue, and retain more customers. So let me show you how Encharge works quickly. There are four main sections in Encharge: the dashboard, flows, people, and emails. I'm going to start with people because everything in Encharge revolves around people. As you know, in marketing automation, it's all about sending the right message to the most relevant audience. In Encharge, you can create powerful segments using our predefined attributes or your own custom fields. So let's say we want to create an audience with the people that haven't been active. I'm going to create a new segment, select attribute last activity more than 30 days ago. And there we go. We have the right audience we want to target at this time. The next step is to create flow. Flows in Encharge, think of flows in Encharge as customer paths or user paths. You can use our drag and drop builder to create very powerful marketing automation flows that connect your whole marketing stack. At the moment, we support native integrations for Segment, Stripe, Typeform, Facebook ads, and MailChimp, and we're also adding many new native integrations as we speak. Let's say we want to send that audience to a nurturing sequence of emails. We're going to use a trigger. Everything in the flow starts with trigger. We're going to select the segment and then send an email to that segment. In marketing automations, email play a huge role. That's why we have a very powerful drag and drop email builder that you can use to create attractive emails that will get you, better open rates and better click-through rates. Last but not least, you can see your marketing results on our dashboard, where you can see how your email list grows, how many people have seen your messages, how many people have clicked on your messages, and how many people have unsubscribed.